Do you know the beautiful Sunnah of night in Islam? Sunnah is the preferred way of life taught and practiced by the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Following the Sunnah means following the path of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Perform Isha prayer and its Sunnah properly. Sleep in a state of purity with wudu. Recite Ayatul Kursi. Recite Surah Ikhlas, Surah Al-Falaq, Surah An-Nas. Make this beautiful dua. In your name, O Allah, I live and die. Small sunnah, peaceful night, big reward. Thank you for listening.